Hey guys, Cindy is Supposedly Chic and welcome to Wantable Fitness edit number 2. If you remember from last month, a lot of the items were really high priced, so we sent them back. So this month, we asked for them to give us a little bit more economically priced items. Guys, just a little side note, I had a procedure on my back 3 days ago, so I'm not 100% today, but I wanted to get this out for you. So if I just seem a little, I don't know, quieter or down, I'm just a little tired. So if you are ready, let's break into the box. So guys, the first item right out of the box is really intriguing, is the Ultra Sports Bra Black Foil Spatter in extra large. Hopefully you can kind of see the sparkle on it. It actually also has a crisscross back, so we'll see how that looks on. Not a lot of support for the ladies, but we'll see how that works. Okay guys, I really like this next item. It takes a workout tank up a notch. It is a Crush Tank Bellini by Shape Active. It's kind of a nice pale sort of peach color, and it's got the ribbing on it. I like that a lot. So we will see how that looks with some of the separates that we got. Our next item is from Alternative Apparel. It is a cozy pullover hoodie. Guys, this is just so me. It's just basic black. Has a pullover. It's got the hoodie on it, and got a lot of anticipation to see what this one's going to look like on. But so far, it's a totally a me at the gym kind of an item. Okay, so we have another item from Shape Active. These are black City Active capris. Guys, I don't know, they don't look like capris. They look sort of baggy, so maybe they look different on. They have a drawstring top, and they have a couple of zippers, which is cool because I can always find stuff to put in my zippers when I'm at the gym. But they're not like anything I've ever seen before. Alright guys, our next item is the printed locker room pullover in cami. It is made by Alternative Apparel also, and guys, this is a really cool look, but I don't know if I'd wear it at the gym. I actually could see wearing it with a pair of jeans and just hanging out in it. But I do like it. It is lightweight, even though it does kind of look like it should be a fleece sort of sweatshirt. It's not. It's really light. So good ideas on this. I like the pattern, and it's a unique piece, probably the most unique piece we got in this box. The one piece of color we got in our box besides the tank are these burgundy sunset leggings in extra large. I really kind of like this design down the bottom, and all of my stuff does tend to be black or gray or white, so these if they fit right and the price is right, these are definitely an item that I would think about keeping, because it does sort of add a little bit of pop to what I would normally throw on at the gym. And guys, I saved the best item for last because it's actually a very funny piece. Those of you who watched the Wantable Fitness edit number 1 will recall that we got a open-backed, long-sleeved cover up from Just Human in cream, like a cream beige, and I wasn't a big fan of the fit. It just kind of didn't hang right. Well, interestingly enough, almost the same exact item, guys, in black, Just Human, open back, long sleeves. It does look a little different. I think if I remember correctly, the cream one sort of went longer in the back. So maybe this is a different style, so maybe it will fit different, but I just thought it was rather ironic that we sent it back and talked about the reasons why we were sending it back, because we didn't like the fit. So we got almost the exact same thing the second month in a row. So give me 1 second. I'm going to throw on, I think the only top we have that's short sleeve is the tank. So we'll throw on the tank with some of the capris, and we will take a look and see what they sent us in this month's Wantable Fitness box. Alright guys, so this outfit is 3 pieces. We have the Ultra Sports Bra in the black foil. We have the Crush Tank Bellini in sort of the peach. And then we have the City Woven Capris from Shape Active. Guys, I like these capris a lot more than I thought I was going to. I just feel like they have a really cool range of motion, and they're really light, so I almost think they would sort of wick the sweat away as you were sweating and working out really hard. I like the tank. I actually like the sort of the deep sides on this one because it is a workout tank. You notice in my other fashion edits, I hate them when they're too low, but this works with this top. And I really like the fact that it sort of feminizes this outfit a little bit. I like the peach, and I like the shearing on it a lot. So here's what everything looks like in the back. And guys, I'm going to go ahead and put the burgundy capris on, and for now keep the tank on so you can see how it looks with that. So give me 1 second. I will be right back. Alright guys, outfit number 2. The top is the same. The bottoms we have on are the sunset leggings in Burgundy Cosmo by Electric and Rose. Here's what the pattern looks like on this side. Guys, I really like this combination of the top and the leggings. So if I keep anything, it would probably be these two and maybe, of course, my little sparkle bra. So now, even though I'm in my 90 plus degree studio, I'm going to start putting on some of the long sleeve stuff so you can see what the outerwear is going to look like. Alright guys, so this is the printed locker room pullover from Alternative Apparel, and though it doesn't necessarily match well with the capris, I just wanted to throw it on to show you guys. It's really comfortable, it's very lightweight. The sleeves are kind of long. You know what I would have liked is to have one of those little holes right there for your thumb. That would have been kind of cool, but we don't have that. But it's easy to pull up. And guys, it's just a really fun print. Alright guys, so here's another item from Alternative Apparel. This is the Cozy Pullover Hoodie in True Black. I like it. It's a basic black hoodie, so it's nothing too exciting to talk about, but it has really reinforced sleeve cuffs. It's not real baggy and sort of like heavy to where it would get in the way, and I just really like it. It's got a nice little hoodie for apparently, I don't know, to look cool and if it ever rains. And other than that, guys, just a real basic black hoodie, but I like the fit and I like the length and I like the way it feels for my range of movement. So guys, we have the Just Human black cutout top, and I believe that's going to wrap up our try-ons for the Wantable Fitness Edit. Alright guys, so here's the Good Human Jewels open back sweatshirt. You know guys, I don't know quite how to explain it, but it does feel different. I don't know if the material is softer, if there's more movement to it. But I'm not, maybe because it's black. Lorelai knows I love my black. But I really like it. I like it with these capris. There's the open back. I was having some issues last month with it sort of hanging down here. It doesn't feel that much. It doesn't feel that much this time around. So we may have to look at the prices on these and see if maybe, because they keep trying to push it on me, maybe I ought to just keep this little bugger, right? So give me 1 second, I'm going to change back into my regular clothes and we're going to talk prices on all these and see how well our stylist did on giving us a little more economical priced workout items. Alright guys, so now it's time to break out the box, see what everything costs, and see what we think about everything that we tried on our Wantable Fitness Edit number 2. If I had an unlimited income and a bank account, I actually liked all the pieces that I tried on. I think they all have a function and a place for most people when they work out at a gym, whether they're doing Pilates or Zumba or lifting. So a good mix of products. Although I think in this box there were maybe a disproportionate amount of long sleeve items that now that we're kind of going into June in the summertime, I don't necessarily know that I would keep all of them. But they did all, they were really comfortable and I enjoyed sort of how they all looked. So we're just going to start from the top of the list, go down and talk about all the items and what they cost. So the first one is our Repeat Jewels Open Back Sweater. Again, this was from Good Human. It's one that has the open back, and this is $69. And guys, I don't know, it's the second time a charm. I'm going to think about this because I really liked in both versions the open back. So we will see on that guy. The only conventional pair of leggings that we got today, guys, were the Sunset legging with the Cosmo, and these leggings are $88. So they're right in the same price range as the other leggings that we said were too expensive. So I'm a little disappointed, but gosh, I do like them, and they are a pop of color, which is something I don't have in my wardrobe. So these guys we're also going to call a maybe. The next pair is the City Woven Capri from Shape Active, guys. These are $58, and again, they are kind of a unique pair of pants, pair of capris. I really did like the fact that they weren't tight leggings. So these, I think I'm going to keep these guys for sure. I think that, especially now that, like I said, we are getting into June, this is a really nice sort of lightweight pair of workout pants. The Crushed Bellini Tank by Shape Active. I loved everything about this top, guys, and the price point is great too. It is $38. So there's no question that this one is going to go into my workout wardrobe. Again, the black leggings I kept from last month, this will go well with them. It actually will go good with the sports bra that I did keep from last month. So lots of options for this guy, and the price point is just exactly where it needs to be. The Black Cozy Pullover Hoodie from Alternative Apparel. Guys, its price point isn't bad either. It is $46. And quite honestly, I like the fact that it's black, so no matter what I try to pair with it, it's going to go okay. And guys, this one actually got my husband's seal of approval, which he just thinks all this stuff is silly. So this guy is going to be kept in our workout wardrobe as well. The second and the last item is the Glider Ultra Sports Bra in the black foil. And guys, while I liked it, you can kind of see there's not a whole lot of support in here. I was reading the description, and apparently somewhere you can, oh, I guess right here, you can put cups in here, but they're not included. I would have to say, based again on what this bra looks like, for $56, don't y'all think they could have included the cups? Just saying. Again, support is really an important thing in a gym if you're a girl, so as cute as I think this is, it's almost kind of got a little bit of a, I don't know, a dominatrix feel to me. It's edgy. But I just, yeah, this one is going to be going back. And then guys, the last item is the printed locker room pullover camo from Alternative Apparel. And this is $48. And again, this is a unique enough one. It'll go again with the leggings I got last month, and it's lightweight, so even though it's long sleeves, it's not really heavy. I think I'm going to keep this, and you guys, don't be surprised if you see it in one of my upcoming episodes, not as a workout top, but just as a regular top, just for the fun of it. Okay guys, so that's a wrap for our Wantable Fitness Edit number 2. As we talked about with Wantable, very similar to Stitch Fix, if you buy all the items in the box, they will give you a 20% discount. So if we were to keep all of those items, our discount would be $80.60, and our total purchase would be $331.12. Well, we're not keeping all the items, so we're going to bypass the discount, but I believe that we got enough gems in there that will keep us sort of motivated for when it's time to get up and hit the gym. And guys, if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. And guys, if you're new to Supposedly Chic, here's a couple videos to get you started. And again, guys, until next time, this is Cindy at Supposedly Chic. And make it a good one.